In this video, we will continue programming our overridden DeconstructPower method by testing power feedback and handling of warming-cooling states. Once our power state feedbacks are set, we can build and test the driver. Remember to always reset the Simple Windows program when loading a new driver revision. Notice that despite the different responses from the projector, our feedback while cooling down does not appear to match what we want. To correct this, we need to make some changes in the JSON data file of the driver. Changing the support's power feedback property to false allows us to drive the state of the power feedback manually. As well, we are now able to send other commands like input requests without requiring power on feedback to be true. In addition, we set support's warm-up time and support's cooldown time to true. Under the power wait period attribute, we set the warm-up time and cooldown time to a value that exceeds our expected response time of about 3 seconds. This will keep our warm-up and cooldown flags high until we see the response. This allows the command group from the validated data based on the JSON file and not based on the outgoing command. Once this is set, we can again build and test. We now see a much longer warming period. And on cooldown, the power remains on until we receive power off status. Warming and cooling time is now a static 10 seconds. We have not yet told the driver what to do with the warming-cooling feedback when it receives the warming-cooling responses. In our DeconstructPower method, we are able to add code to assist the driver in providing this feedback. These ADisplay protocol built-in method calls will provide us with the stages we require. We can now see much shorter warming and cooling cycles based on accurate feedback responses from the device. The responses we've been dealing with so far have been fairly standard. But what about responses that do not fit into any of the standard feedback categories within the JSON file? In our next video, we will take a look at more complex responses, or responses that require more complex operations. Thanks for watching.